Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a stuttering or FPS drop while you're playing game on your PC. So let's start. This is the Windows 10. So you can open Task Manager by right click on the taskbar. So try to search the CPU or the GPU usage. Here try to search most high process here. For example, you can end tasks that unnecessary program that run on Task Manager. And also, for example, I don't need Microsoft Edge. You can end the task here and try to search the another application that you don't need to run. For example, Acrobat Update Service. I don't need it. You can end task. So after you free up some space on your CPU, you can also go to the Xbox Xbox setting. So you can type Xbox, this one, and the game bar, you can turn this off. And also the game mode, you can turn this on. When game mode is on, Windows optimize your PC for play. Here we go. And also in the graphic, make sure you update your graphic card here. I'm using a AMD as my graphic card, so make sure you update the driver. And also don't forget to update your Windows. If it's a try, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.